If you need to close your Stripe account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure to back up any necessary data before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your account credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to close. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Find the Close Account option. In the Account Settings section, look for the option to close or deactivate your account. This may be listed under Account Information or a similar heading. Step 4. Review the terms. Before closing your account, read through any terms or conditions related to account closure. This may include information about outstanding payments, fees, or data retention. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After reviewing the terms, follow the prompts to confirm that you want to close your account. You may need to enter your password or verify your identity to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Stripe account will be closed. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Stripe's customer support for help.